Welcome. In this video, we're diving into a new update on LinkedIn that allows you to change your phone type to mobile when using the platform on your PC. This is a great feature for those who want to ensure their contact information is up to date and accurately reflects their mobile status. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're on the home page, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually features your profile picture. After clicking on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your LinkedIn account. Next, focus on the Account Preferences section. Here, you'll find several options that allow you to customize your account settings. Look for the Profile Information subsection and click on it. This section is crucial as it contains details about how your profile is presented to others. Under Profile Information, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This will lead you to a page where you can edit essential details about your profile. Now, let's move on to updating your contact information. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and click on Edit Contact Info. This area is where you can input and modify how people can reach you. In the phone type bar, you will see an option that allows you to choose what type of phone number you wish to display. Make sure to select Mobile from the drop-down menu. This step is vital as it ensures that your mobile number is correctly identified as such. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page after making these changes. This action will update your profile with the new phone type setting, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed your phone type to mobile on LinkedIn while using your PC. This update not only enhances your profile's accuracy, but also makes it easier for connections to reach out to you via mobile. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.